Today we're out at the Hickory Flat Library. We're going to take a tour, catch you guys up on construction. A lot has taken place this year. We're getting very close. Some of the finish colors and carpet are starting to go in. The outside is looking fantastic. If you guys remember, this was our take on postmodernism. We derived a lot of these exterior forms from history. Specifically, here is Venturi's mother's house, and we did that. The adjacent neighborhood is a lot of residential homes, and so the roof line of this building is meant to mimic those. And then over here on the side is our James Sterling house inspiration. So right here is the front entry, and we've got two planters, and you walk up a step or two and then you're in the front of the library. We've got a great canopy out front. We're going to have some signage that goes on top. So we painted the building gray to match the roof color. I think it really looks fantastic. The idea was we wanted to match the brick, and if you guys remember, this building was actually an existing library. It's roughly 25 years old, and it's very difficult to match up from new to old brick. You can see right here, the brick on the right is some of the old and the brick on the left is new. And one of the things that's easiest to do to make this look like a brand new building is to paint it. And we chose this. It's a warm gray color. It's very nice. We got this tower in front of you. Towers signify entry throughout history, so we placed a tower there at the entry. The library originally had 2 points that you could come in. The other was right in front of you here, which is now our teen space. So we've got the teen tower. And as we go inside, what you'll see is that we have a tower in the children's area and also a tower in the adult area. And the idea there is that the towers signify a change in function. And then we've also painted those different colors. So that's one way that the architecture really influences behavior, and it tells people something about itself. So the existing building was roughly 10,000 square feet, and we are very close to a 20,000 square foot library here. So we doubled the size of the building, and 20,000 square feet is pretty much your standard branch library. It's a great size. You all will see on the inside we have all of the different functions of today's library. Really fantastic. This in front of you is a new section that we added on. There will be a staff entry right there in front of you underneath the canopy. That's where their daily book drop, or the book mobile will deliver books to the library in and out, and we'll come in there. So we have the staff workroom on this side, and then around over here you can see how close we are to these residential homes, and that how the roof lines of each of those together really influenced the exterior architecture. All right, so we'll work our way around front and go into the library. Got some great bollards right here, these lighted bollards. Our landscape architect does a fantastic job too. These trees will be a nice purple next year. So this is the staff entry. It's really neat. So the parking lot, we added, I think it was 28 parking spaces. So, it'll probably be tight during some of those summer reading times, but we reworked the parking lot the best we could. If you remember, there was this center section. We shrunk that a little bit. Really fantastic landscaping through here. Did a great job. So what turned out really nice with this design was this exterior room, and we'll have a exterior book drop right here on your left when you'll come up. And then there is a Amazon lockers over here to the left as well. So one of the things that we try to do is the Frank Lloyd Wright trick of compressing people before you enter the building and then expanding them. So the lobby here, the ceiling is a little lower as you come in, and we painted it our signature blue color as well, so that really looks nice. Got restrooms in front of you. There is one entry into the meeting room. It also has an entry into the inside of the library. One of the things that we did was this meeting room can be used after hours, and you can close the library off if you need to. Oh, check this out. So they've got some of the wood portals and some of the millwork. So this wood used a really nice light oak, and really looks fantastic. See the insides. Wow, this looks great. So we painted the inside of these. We did some of that if you followed us on our LaGrange library, just these boxes, portals that you pass through. And one of the things that we try to do, and we did it here, was each of these portals signify an entry into something different. So some type of different space or program. Here on the entry, we've got the brick that we continued from the inside to the outside. So that's in keeping with our embracing the landscape, pulling some of the outside design to the inside. Wow, this looks great. So this right here is our third place. You can see the Graves blue on the ceiling, and we're gonna have all these wonderful booths against the wall. There's 4 booths. They are very similar to what we did in LaGrange. We learned from that, and really look nice. So through here, right in front of you will be the help desk. It's got great visibility to the front entry and into the workroom. Children's area in front of you. And we're standing in the center right now. So you'll be able to see into the workroom. Wow, they got the wood portal going up. That's gonna look great. Over into the children's area, into the multi-purpose room, into the adult area. You can see back into the quiet study rooms, into the conference room, you see into the workroom, and then you see over here into the teen space. Just very, very nice. This is the children's area. We lowered the ceiling a little bit. We've done that on past libraries. The idea there is to lower it to the scale of the child, and it really helps. It creates a little bit more of an intimate space. We did some really fun ceiling features here, these circular ceiling features. You can see the white inside the color circles are actually lights, so they will provide light up and down, and really should have some glowing colors there. Really looks great. So over here is our nighttime story area. It really looks fantastic. Guys are painting the ceiling. It's a really great color. Over here on the left is the children's computers. Created a wall for those. God, they got some more of the millwork in here. This is just going to be really nice. Wood is fantastic. Just it's great natural oak color. So this here is the multi-purpose room. They've got the LVT down. Turned out real nice. So this room is meant to have all sorts of different types of functions in here. Purple color is great as well. You can see we've got a protected escape garden for children. A lot of play equipment out there. So these are kind of supposed to be musical type instruments. Got some shade sails that'll go in to screen this, but it really only gets the morning sun. So during the afternoon, it should be in shade. You can see the pop up in front of you for the adult area. This is a great space. So there are going to be a lot of shelves in front of you in the library. In the adult area, there's a periodicals, some custom periodical shelves that'll be in the distance. Oh, they got these lights up too. Those look great. So you can see the square light fixtures hanging down from these pop-ups. They really look nice. So yeah, look at that. It's great colors. So when these light up, they really should cast some light up on the color and accentuate the color. And then here's the example of one of the pop-ups we talked about outside. So this is the pop-up in the adult area. And again, it should really glow with this nice blue. In front of you will be the quiet study rooms. Oh yeah, look at this. So they got the walls going in. So this is an example of one of the portals. Really looks fantastic. So the this portal will be painted, and you'll see the wood right on the edge. Very nice. And it'll be a color. And again, that signifies passing through from one space to the other. We're in the workroom. We've got 2 offices in front of you. There'll be a lot of desks along this wall. And then over in here, we'll go see some of this back of house. So this is the book. This is where books and deliveries will come in to this room as well. And then we've got the entry back out into the main space. This is the internal book drop in front of you. So if you deliver or bring your books back to the library, that's where you'll put them. This is the break room. Got some of the millwork in here. Really looks great. I'm ready to see the lights on. It's plenty light in here. They don't have a lot of temporary lights, but once we get all the lights, it'll really brighten it up. All right, guys, that was it. That was the Hickory Flat Library. You guys stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Take care.